Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. The research design mainly refers to a. How references are formatted. B. Overall strategy integrating methods to answer questions. C. Data visualization only. D. Only literature review. Right answer is option B. Overall strategy integrating methods to answer questions. Next question. Conceptual framework is built from A. Data tables only. B. Existing theories and concepts guiding research. C. Only numerical data. D. Appendices. Right answer is option B. Existing theories and concepts guiding research. Next question. In upper style, in-text citation includes A. Author, title, page. B. Author, year, page. C. Only page number. D. Title and date only. Right answer is option B. Author, year, page. Next question. The H-index of a researcher measures A. Number of books published. B. Impact based on citations and publications. C. Number of pages. D. Grammar quality. Right answer is option B. Impact based on citations and publications. Next question. Purpose of sampling selects participants based on A. Random chance. B. Researcher's judgment of relevance. C. Lottery. D. Sample frame number. Right answer is option B. Researcher's judgment of relevance. Next question. The scope of study explains A. Title of research. B. What is covered in research. C. List of references. D. Theoretical framework. Right answer is option B. What is covered in research. Next question. A case study research method focuses on A. A large dataset. B. One or few subjects in depth. C. Only quantitative variables. D. Only bibliographies. Right answer is option B. One or few subjects in depth. Next question. Probability sampling means A. No random selection. B. Each member has known chance of selection. C. Only expert choice. D. Sampling after data analysis. Right answer is option B. Each member has known chance of selection. Next question. A research proposal typically includes A. Only references. B. Objectives, questions, methodology, timeline. C. Appendices only. D. Data tables. Right answer is option B. Objectives, questions, methodology, timeline. Next question. Retrospective study analyses. A. Future data only. B. Past data or events. C. Experiments only. D. Fictional works only. Right answer is option B. Past data or events. Next question. Rationale in research proposal explains A. Results. B. Why research is needed. C. Bibliography. D. Appendices. Right answer is option B. Why research is needed. Next question. Validity questions whether A. Hypothesis is interesting. B. Measurement reflects intended concept. C. Data is long. D. Font is correct. Right answer is option B. Measurement reflects intended concept. Next question. Data triangulation uses A. Single data source only. B. Multiple data sources for same question. C. Ignoring conflicting data. D. Only numbers. Right answer is option B. Multiple data sources for same question. Next question. Ethical considerations in research include A. Ignoring consent. B. Informed consent, confidentiality, and respect. C. Publishing without review. D. Fabricating data. Right answer is option B. Informed consent, confidentiality, and respect. Next question. SPSS software is used mainly for A. Image editing. B. Statistical analysis. C. Reference management. D. Translations. Right answer is option B. Statistical analysis. Next question. Qualitative data often consist of A. Numbers only. B. Words, themes, observations. C. Only tables. D. Codes only. Right answer is option B. Words, themes, observations. Next question. Plagiarism can best be avoided by A. Copying text carefully. B. Proper paraphrasing and citation. C. Ignoring sources. D. Changing font style. Right answer is option B. Proper paraphrasing and citation. Next question. Research ethics require A. Deception always. B. Honesty, integrity, and responsibility. C. Ignoring data issues. D. Publishing secretly. Right answer is option B. Honesty, integrity, and responsibility. Next question. Quota sampling ensures sample reflects A. Random numbers only. B. Proportions of key subgroups in population. C. Only convenience. D. Author's choice only. Right answer is option B. Proportions of key subgroups in population. Next question. The research gap helps identify A. Title length. B. What has not been explored or studied yet. C. Only citations needed. D. Random variables. Right answer is option B. What has not been explored or studied yet. Question for you. Literature mapping visually shows A. Grammar errors. B. Relationships between studies and themes. C. Reference style. D. Title only. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, we will meet tomorrow with another important session.